Imagine the allure of a steaming cup of tea handcrafted from the finest herbs wafting through your kitchen. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, brace yourself for a journey through the aromatic world of DIY herbal tea blends. First, we're going to delve into the soothing chamomile lavender dream blend. This blend is a floral symphony of chamomile and lavender, both revered for their calming properties. Simply combine equal parts dried chamomile flowers and lavender buds, and steep for 5 to 10 minutes in hot water. The result? A tranquil brew that'll whisk you off to dreamland in no time. Next up, citrus mint bliss. Imagine zesty citrus peels dancing with refreshing mint leaves. This blend is a perfect midday pick-me-up. To create this, combine equal parts dried citrus peels and dried mint leaves, steep for 5 minutes, and enjoy a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle. For those who enjoy the comfort of warm spices, the Cinnamon Vanilla Serenity blend is your ticket to relaxation. Combine equal parts of dried cinnamon chips and vanilla bean pieces. Steep this blend for 10 minutes and savor the warm, comforting flavors. Steering towards a more healing blend, the Ginger Turmeric Calm is a blend that offers anti-inflammatory benefits alongside relaxation. Combine equal parts dried ginger and turmeric, steep for about 10 minutes, and enjoy a comforting brew. Last but not least, the Lemon Balm Honey Harmony blend. This delightful infusion combines the calming effects of lemon balm with the sweet, soothing touch of honey. To create this blend, mix equal parts dried lemon balm leaves and dried honey crystals, steep for about 5 minutes, and savor a peaceful afternoon. And there you have it, 5 DIY herbal tea blends to elevate your relaxation game: chamomile lavender dream, citrus mint bliss, cinnamon vanilla serenity, ginger turmeric calm, and lemon balm honey harmony. Each blend offers a unique flavor profile and calming properties. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tea lovers, and subscribe for more flavorful content. Until next time, may your tea be steeped in tranquility. Signing off from Sip Well, Relax Deeply, and see you in the next video.